This video demonstrates how to install eSquare Studio for Renesas RX and RL78. First, download the eSquare Studio. Please scan this QR code or go to the download page from the Renesas website. Log into my Renesas account. Click on Downloads quick link and select the latest version of eSquare Studio installer. Select the option for Document Update Notification. Click on the Accept and Download button. Extract the downloaded zip file and double-click the installer. Select Installation for all users or current user. Take note that all users option requires administrator permissions. Select Install to continue. From version 2023-07, the eSquare Studio installer provides 3 types of installation. The light install type is recommended as it offers simplified coding and debugging experience and provides all important features necessary for normal development. The standard install type provides additional features for more advanced debugging, such as trace and RTOS resource view features. The custom install type lets you customize the installation according to your preferences. You can click here to view a list of the features included for the install types. The light install type is selected in this video. Installation can continue even if internet connection is not available. Select the default installation folder or click Change to select a new folder. After all preparations are completed, click Next. Select device families. Select additional software. Renesas QE, Renesas AI, Renesas toolchains, and GCC toolchains can be selected here. If there is no internet connection, additional software installation can be skipped and installed later. Accept the software agreement. Create shortcuts in the Start menu. Review the installation summary. Installation is in progress. If the Renesas CCRX compiler was selected, an installation wizard for Renesas RX compiler will pop up. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. Select the default installation folder or click Browse to select a new folder. Click Install to install CCRX compiler. After the installation for Renesas RX compiler is completed, the eSquare Studio installation progress will continue. Perform the similar steps to install CCRL toolchain. The Renesas License Manager will be installed along with the Renesas compiler. Click Next. Click Install. After the installation for additional software is completed, the eSquare Studio installation progress will continue. The installation is completed. eSquare Studio can be launched from Start menu. After installation, you can add features of the standard mode by selecting Help. For more advanced features, run the installer again and choose the Modify option. For more information, visit the eSquare Studio FAQ page. In the next video, we will show you how to create a project. Please continue watching.